In this video, I'm going to show you how to graph a system of inequalities using your graphing calculator. The first inequality I want to graph is y is greater than x plus 5. Now as you can see, I have equal signs there, but I'm going to change that later. So let's type in x plus 5. I need to use the variable key whenever I type in x, and that's below the mode button. So x plus 5. And now I'm going to scroll down to y sub 2, and I'm going to type in my second inequality. Now the second inequality I want to use for this problem is y is less than negative 2x minus 1. So I'm going to type in negative 2x minus 1. Now at this point I need to change the lines to the left of y1 and y2 in order to graph an inequality instead of an equation. You need to start by moving your cursor over that line to where it's blinking, as you can see here. Now this is to the left of y sub 1. So in this first inequality, I wanted that to be a greater than sign. So that would mean it would be shaded above the line. So what I need to do is press enter until I see it shaded above the line. This is the symbol right here that shows it shaded above the line. As you can see, this diagonal line's right here. It's shaded to the top right of that. It looks like a little triangle. Now I'm going to move my cursor to the second equation, which I want to change to an inequality now. So I want to arrow over beside y sub 2 to the left, and I'm going to press enter again. And this one I wanted it to be a less than, so I'm going to press enter until I see it shaded below the line. So that one's above, so I'm going to press enter again, and now you can see it looks like it's below the line, this other little triangular region here. Now press graph. As you can see, vertical shading marks are used with one of the inequalities and horizontal shading marks are used with the other inequality. Therefore, when they overlap, you get this checkerboard pattern. Your solution set will be in this region right here. So that is the graph of the inequalities, but there's one more thing that I need to point out. Now your graph cannot show a line being dotted and shade using an inequality at the same time. So in this instance, it almost looks like these lines are solid, but when you have a less than or when you have a greater than, that should be a dotted line. So you need to notice that. And on your graph, if you're graphing this on paper, you need to make those lines dotted. And if it was a less than or equal to or a greater than or equal to, it would be a solid line, which is how it looks like here. So I hope this has been a good quick overview of graphing a system of inequalities. Just know that you can have lots of different variations of these inequalities, and they don't even have to be lines.